friends, myself Rekha More from Department of Chemistry. Today I am going to conduct the lecture of environmental study on the topic of natural resources. And in the topic of natural resources, we study about the impact of deforestation. So friend, you always remember that 21st March is celebrated by the world as a forestry day, and this day is provide the information to us, that is plant more trees, save wildlife. Friend, effect of deforestation. Effect of deforestation on the food resources as well as agriculture, on tribal population and biodiversity. In this slide, I have put the two pictures. In one picture, we saw the beauty of nature, and in another picture, we saw the cutting of forest, and at the same time, the industrialization or civilization are take place. So, friend, what is the importance of environment? Before going to study the impact of deforestation, we should understand the importance of environment. From the childhood, we understand the trees provide us oxygen, food, habitat, timber, erosion control, clean air, and number of things. And therefore, friends, if those things we got from the nature, so it's our prime concern to save the forest. In short, deforestation is nothing but the cut excessively of the plants. The forests are cut mainly because of there is increasing demand for forest trees as a fuel. In rural areas, people have to depend on forestries only as a source of energy for cooking and other activities. As there is a food storage in India, forests are cut excessively for the agricultural purpose. The forests are also cut on large scale due to rapid urbanization. Forests are also cut for industrial establishment. Forest trees are cut for their economic values. In first picture we saw the large forest, and in another picture we saw the deforestation image. So friend, deforestation not only affect on the habitat, which can affect on the settlement of the human being, which destroy the habitat of animal, which destroy the habitat of so many aquatic animals. And only due to the deforestation, the number of species are in the extinct zone. So friend, in this picture there is very beautiful scenery of the forest, and in another picture there is, that is the burning image. Burning image is reflect that there is the human society are in the danger zone. So friend, deforestation cause the reduction of rainfall as well as the soil erosion. The local level is where deforestation has the most immediate effect. With forest loss, the local community loses the system that perform valuable but often underappreciated services like ensuring the regular flow of clean water and protecting the community from flood and drought. The forest acts as a sort of sponge, soaking up rainfall brought by tropical storms while anchoring soil and releasing water at regular intervals. This regulating feature of tropical rainforest can help moderate destructive flood and drought cycle that can occur when forests are clear. Friends, the forest fire is also one of the major issues to destroy the forest, and this fire forest is also responsible for deterioration. Environmental deterioration can leave people as environmental refugees, people who are displaced due to environmental degradation, including deforestation, sea level rise, expanding desert, and catastrophic weather events. Red Cross research shows more people are now displaced by environmental disaster than by war. It is also one of the example of the forest fire. A fully functioning forest has a great capacity to regenerate. Not regenerate for the human being, regenerate for the birds, regenerate for the wildlife, and so on. But exhausting hunting of tropical rainforest wildlife can reduce those spaces necessary to forest continuance and regeneration. For example, in Central Africa, the loss of species like gorilla, chimps, and elephants undercut the seeds dispersal and slow the recovery of damaged forest. So friend, in this slide we study some points impact of deforestation on tribal population. Number 1, lack of food resources, scarcity of rainfall. Non-agricultural land are formed due to soil erosions, no employability, movement of local community toward urban site. And see the effect of deforestation. There is a cutting. In first image we saw the cutting of large number of wood, and in another image we saw deforestation. The soil is erodes due to the unplantation. Impact of deforestation on biodiversity. Extinction of bird, animal, in short wildlife. Extinctions means these bird species are vanish or destroy. Loss of fauna and aquatic animals. Friends, in water the large number of variety of animals are present, and each and every microorganism as well as animals are responsible to continue the life cycle. Pollutant deforestation also affect the increased pollutant in the environment, because friends, trees can play a very vital role to absorb the so many pollutant like carbon dioxide, then hydrogen sulfide, and so on. Then next number is reduction of rainfall. Nowadays the number of area is affected by the scarcity of the rain. And why the rain is reduction? Why the rain is reduction? Because of the deforestation. Water and the clouds can be stopped, or cloud can be created only due to the moisture which is supplied by the plants. Soil erosion. Soil erosion can create a very great effect on the world. Scarcity of the natural resources. In the natural resources where count the food, fruits, and variety of animal and wood and so on. Therefore, the deforestation can also cause such a type of the effect. Now friend, look toward this image. This image can told us the importance of the plants. When you can't hug people, hug a tree. Friend, tree is our true friend. Trees are the God gift for us. Trees gives us the fresh air with oxygen. And you know that all the animals which are present on the earth which depend on the oxygen, and plant is the great and major source of the oxygen. In short, oxygen source is only plant. Friends, see the beauty of nature and imagine, can we live without nature? Can we have our own identity without nature? We have any identity without nature? Can we live without nature? Yeah. No. There is only one answer. Our identity is completely dependent on the nature, and we can't live without nature. So friend, it's our responsibility to save our forest and plant maximum tree at our level. So at the last, I just told to you that stop deforestation and save the forest.